Hi, boys and girls. Today's learning goal says, I can describe the overall structure of a story. For this learning goal, we're going to look at these two texts. I Want an Iguana and Money Matters. I notice in I Want an Iguana, there are lots of illustrations instead of real photographs. I can tell by looking at this cover it's probably going to be a fictional story, just because the pictures are illustrated. In I Want an Iguana, I see that the greeting and closings of the letters tell us who the characters are. Dear Mom, Dear Alex, that lets me know there's some characters. I know that the order of the stories happen based off of new letters, so that signals new events. Other stories we read, the narrator tells the story usually with words such as first, next, or finally to show the order of events. This text is a little different. When we were reading Money Matters, I noticed there's a lot of text features and photographs. So this text might be structured more like an informational book that's just there to tell us information, not like a story, how I Want an Iguana is. I also see several text features too that help me navigate through the text. There's table of contents and there's glossaries and index. So if I need to find a certain section in this text, I can use a table of contents. If there's words I come across that I'm not sure of, I can use the glossary. This is a way that an informational text is structured. So your learning goal was to describe the overall structure of a story. Think about the stories you're reading. Can you describe how they are structured? Try it out.